The Ziliqa price last week surged 356%, and then this week, guess what's happened? It's come right back down again, dropping 45%. Why does this happen, guys? Well, basically, guys, there was some good news that came out about Ziliqa. It caused loads of people to get excited. It saw a bit of a pump, and then when it pumps, everyone gets excited and jumps in with all of their money. But then as the price goes up quickly, guys, people will always take profits unless people will be prepared to buy at the top, which is why we must take profits, guys, as many times as we say it, rather than buying up here when we're kind of super high, taking profits, buying lower, and then sort of telling towards the top. We can still get back in at other times when we drop back down towards these levels, because there's always going to be another chance to buy at these levels. Notice what's happened here, guys. We thought here we were probably high and we were going to go high, and we did, but then we come all the way back down to retest. Now, the good thing is, the good news as far as I'm concerned with regards to Ziliqa is actually it's really probably quite healthy what's just happened to Ziliqa. And yeah, you might have had a bit of a panic if you bought at the top and you're probably still feeling a bit uncomfortable about it. But right now, the Ziliqa price is gearing up for something much more spectacular. Obviously, we've seen Bitcoin, Ethereum, the rest of crypto have a little drop this week, which has caused other cryptos to take a bit of a pinch as well. And obviously, Ziliqa reacting so aggressively to news last week, it was obviously going to react hard to a fall as well. But what we can see by putting in a horizontal line in here, guys, is something really good to see. Literally jumping back across. If we jump out to the weekly, guys, you can see that this horizontal line, which we're currently playing around on, previously provided us with solid resistance. On the way up back on the 8th of February, we saw 14 cents. We then dropped back down to 8. Again, we came up, spiked down to this level, and then multiple times, 1, 2, 3 times, we were rejected at this key level. So actually what's happening right now is perfect, right? We've seen a push towards the upside, really aggressive, showing really good buyers intent. Lots of people are interested in Ziliqa. Things are looking really strong for Ziliqa. Don't be put off by what's just happened, guys. It's designed to kind of catch people out. What we're seeing is this big red candle coming in here, which started all the way back up at around 16 cents and has fallen sort of around 20 odd % in just a couple of days. But what is really key to see, if we zoom in a bit further, is that we've got this wick here, guys, which is showing that we have got some buyers coming in here. And as long as we're closing this weekly candle here, this red weekly candle, above this green line, then I think the next weekly candle is definitely going to be a green one. And we're just basically confirming this sort of pattern here, and then we are likely to continue on further. Okay, so we've broken out. Every time we break resistance, we come back and retest as support. We did it last time. We came up, we bounced back, retested, pushed up, retested, pushed up, and then we fell back down and then retested previous support as resistance again, and then fell. Okay, so very, very healthy that we've just broken above this key line. It's very important that we've broken this key line at 13 cents, and we are now holding it as support. Basically then, guys, what I'm thinking is that we're going to continue to build from here. If we take the Fibonacci retracement tool, then we can drop from the swing high to the swing low, and we can see key levels. Still, my target remains the 1.618, which is up here if you've not seen it already, which is around 39 cents. So from current prices, a move to there is 213%, which is obviously an exceptional move. Obviously, you get very big moves in crypto, and 213% might not seem that exciting, guys, but there's definitely some solid stuff happening for Ziliqa. Lots of bright news. And also, being Ziliqa was like the biggest mover and shaker last week, I'm pretty sure that if it starts to get moving again, you can see it moving very quickly, because a lot of people will dive in waiting for Ziliqa to pump once more. So right now, I'm anticipating a bounce at this level before a move to at least the 0.618 at around 17 cents. And then from there, potentially we might see further kind of retracements and bouncing up before coming into territories of all-time highs. Once we go beyond all-time highs, guys, I've given you my estimate of a 1.618 up here, but there's nothing to say that it can't go beyond that. You know, you've had blue sky breakouts and other things before that have seen 2.618, 3.618 even, which is obviously way up there, pushing towards the dollar for Ziliqa. So guys, obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, but go away and do your own research if you want to risk any of your own money. What I'm saying right now is we are challenging this. Buyers are coming in at 12.6 cents. We're holding above there and having a weekly close above there. Then in my opinion, we're going to return to bullish action and push further up. If Bitcoin and Ethereum slide lower, we could see Ziliqa maybe taking a little slide further down, but perhaps bottoming out around 11.8 cents. Things looking good for Ziliqa. Let me know down in the comments if you want more Ziliqa videos. If you want any other coins covered, then also put them down below. Guys, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already and you want to know more about tips on Ziliqa and other cryptos, make sure you smash that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, because YouTube doesn't like to share this content with people about crypto so much for some reason, who knows. Anyway, guys, hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.